Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Ethernet does not have a valid IP configuration on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to open the network setting. For that you have to press Windows plus R, then type ncpa.cpl, click OK, then select your network. Suppose if you are using through wired, if you are using internet through wired, you have to select Ethernet. If you are using through Wi-Fi, you have to select Wi-Fi. Select, then click on property, click on TCP IP4. You can see here internet protocol version TCP IP4. Double click on that. Here you need to change the DNS server. You have to type 8.8.8.8 below alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Just click OK, click OK, and just disable it and enable again. And the second method is you have to update your network driver. For that, click on search menu, then type here device manager. Click on device manager. You need to find your network adapter here. Just click on network adapter, double click on that. Select your network, right click, update, and click on browse my computer for the drivers. Select this option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select your driver, then click on next, then click on finish. After trying all this, still you are facing the issue, then you can try the final method. Click on start menu, click on settings, or you can just click on this search menu, then type here network reset. Here you will find network reset. Click on that, then click on reset now. After completion of this reset, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.